Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the left corner. When we pick this button, we get access to advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the other category, and here we have the camera sound option. So by using button from the right, we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera and let me take another picture. Now we can't hear anything. Of course, we can turn it on again when we need this by going to the left corner, sliding down to the other category and tapping to this button with camera sound. So now we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.